Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda CRV cabin air filter. First, you'll need to locate the glove box on the passenger side of your vehicle. It's important to completely empty the glove box of all its contents to give you clear access. Make sure you have your new cabin air filter ready, along with a small flathead screwdriver, which will be helpful for a couple of steps. This process is straightforward and can save you money. Once the glove box is empty, gently press inward on both sides to release the stops, allowing it to swing down further. This will reveal the cabin air filter housing behind it. On the right side, you'll see a small damper arm. Carefully detach this arm from the glove box. This step provides full access to the filter compartment, making the next part much easier to manage. Take your time to avoid any damage. Now you'll see the cabin air filter housing cover. There are usually two small clips, one on each side. Unclip these to open the cover. Carefully pull out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Pay attention to how it's oriented. Before inserting the new filter, check for an arrow indicating airflow direction. This arrow should point downwards, towards the floor of the vehicle, ensuring proper air circulation. Slide the new filter in smoothly. With the new filter in place, reattach the housing cover, making sure both clips snap securely. Then, reconnect the damper arm to the right side of the glove box. Finally, push the glove box back into its original position, ensuring the side stops engage properly. Turn on your fan to check the airflow and enjoy cleaner air. For other great deals, including the best socks with a lifetime warranty, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.